Ukraine recently released a video from the cockpit showing its Su-27 fighter jet dropping GBU-39/B small diameter bombs, SDBs, on Russian targets. This also shows that the SDB bombs supplied by the United States have been integrated into old Soviet-era Su-27 fighter jets operated by the Ukrainian Air Force. It was previously reported that the Ukrainian Su-27s have also been equipped with other U.S.-made weapons, such as the AGM-88 HARM high-speed anti-radiation missile and the Joint Direct Attack Munition, extended range, JDAM-ER. As seen in the video uploaded to X by OSINTtechnical, the Su-27 used is wearing a distinctive Ukrainian digital camouflage pattern. The aircraft launched 4 SDB bombs in a salvo while climbing at an elevation angle of around 60 degrees. This maneuver has the effect of increasing the range of the weapon while also helping to keep the launch aircraft exposed to air defense threats for a short time. Although it is said that the use of SDB bombs by Ukrainian Su-27s has been ongoing for some time, this is the first time Ukraine has shown video of it, TWZ notes. Previously, Ukrainian Su-27s have rarely been seen with this weaponry. To release SDB bombs, the Su-27 is equipped with a BRU-61/Iraq that can hold up to 4 of the 250-pound class bombs. Other U.S.-made and Western-made weapons have been more commonly seen carried by Ukrainian MiG-29s. In terms of weapons integration, SDBs, like other Western missiles and precision-guided bombs, are combined with iPads or similar tablet-like devices mounted in the cockpit. In addition to SDBs and JDAM-ERs, Ukraine's glide bomb arsenal includes the French-made AASM-250 Hammer. Ukraine's use of SDBs, as well as other Western long-range precision weapons, reflects Russia's extensive use of glide bombs of various types. While Russian long-range bombs have been a particular problem for Ukrainian air defenses, recent reports suggest that their effectiveness has begun to decline. The General Staff of the Ukrainian Armed Forces states that Russian attacks on Ukraine using guided aerial bombs have halved since Western partners allowed Kyiv to strike targets deep inside Russia using long-range missiles. As a result, Russian tactical air forces have been increasingly pushed back to bases farther from the front lines. This has had an impact on maintenance, sortie rates, and flying hours, which in turn has reduced the number of such sorties. Reports from Ukraine cite the use of SDB bombs as one of the most potent weapons. The small size of these bombs makes them much harder for Russian air defenses to counter. At the same time, each aircraft can be loaded with multiple SDBs, allowing more targets to be hit in each sortie.